Graphic extras. In this video I'm just going to show you a new guide feature that comes with Photoshop CC 2014.2. It's the October 2014 release, and just going to go now to View, and you see a new guide layout. Select that, and that's the one I've actually created earlier, so it defaults to that one. What I want is to default, and default is number 8 columns. To actually increase the columns, you can actually just go over there, just go over the number bit. You of course can type it, 10, so you can change the number of columns, but you can also just, much easier, just more interactive, just change that so it goes down to 2, 0, 1, just increase it very rapidly, say to 13 or 14. You've got a gutter there which you can also increase or decrease, so you can increase that a bit. And there's also rows, so you can add a number. There's 2 rows there, so you don't have to have columns, you could just go for rows. So, and again you can do the same with there. You can increase the number of rows, change their gutter. Now, the weird thing is you can't actually update that with that. You can even say you can see the little arrow there, but you have to actually type in a value. So, I'm just going to say 12. So it actually creates the gutter, and then you can use that. Just reduce it down or increase it. You can also add in a margin, which is quite nice, so you can just a little margin there, and say top, so you can see at the top, and I'm just going to 40, you can actually just see it there, and again left, so at the moment it's obviously just straight on that line, but you can make it say 20, so it starts slightly offset, or maybe 30, or 40, and you can just see it just shifts it along. So I'm not going to go for that margin. Also you can clear any existing guides, so if there's some guides already created, just gets rid of those, so you just click that and you can actually get rid of any previous guides that have been stored. Okay, so once you've actually got that, and of course there's some actual pre-built ones, so it's 8 columns, 12 columns, 16 columns, 24 columns, very useful. Of course you can create your own, so I've got one, like say gutter 20 there, which I created earlier, and you can load and save as well as delete the presets. Right, once you've actually created the various columns and rows, of course what can you do then? You actually just go over here. You can of course quickly just create a square or something actually within those boundaries, and it's very quick and easy just to create squares, or obviously other shapes. I mean, it doesn't have to be squares, that would be a bit dull, wouldn't it? So you can go to rectangle, obviously circles, just quickly create a circle within that guide, and you can of course create it over multiple as well, so you don't have to just stick within those bounds. You just go across there. You can use it for other things like text as well, and many other features within Photoshop. So I'm just going to quickly use some text, so just saying that. So I'm just going to create a letter A. Now expand that out, and I'm just going to just drag that out. You can actually just put it there, but and then drag that down, so you can position the bounding box for the text. But if you actually want to use it with a type and then convert to shape, you can actually just make the shape fit the whole of that. Click OK, and there you have it. You've got of course you can still move them around, but it's a quick way of creating guides in a few seconds using this new feature, which is a really quite nice little feature of Photoshop. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.